2018 Nissan Frontier's standard engine is a 2.5-liter i4 engine that produces 152 horsepower and 171 pounds-to-foot of torque and delivers an EPA-rated 19/23 mile per gallon city highway when backed by the 5-speed manual and 17/22 mile per gallon with the 5-speed automatic. The 2.5-liter i4 is only available with rear-wheel drive. The optional 4.0-liter V6 engine produces 261 horsepower and 281 pounds-to-foot of torque and is rated at 16/22 mile per gallon with the 6-speed manual transmission, 16/21 mile per gallon with 4-wheel drive, and 16/23 mile per gallon with the 5-speed automatic, 15/21 mile per gallon with 4-wheel drive. The Frontier is available in king cab and crew cab configurations with standard and long beds. The Frontier's maximum towing capacity is 6,690 pounds when properly equipped. In Motor Trend testing, the 2015 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X hit 60 miles per hour in 7.8 seconds and stopped from 60 miles per hour in a long 139 feet. The Frontier is available with heated and power-adjustable leather-appointed front seats, a Rockford Fosgate audio system, dual-zone automatic climate control, a 5.8-inch touchscreen with Nissan Connect with navigation, a shift-on-the-fly electronically controlled 4-wheel drive system, 2 WD/4-high/4 modes, and an electronic locking rear differential. The Pro-4X model includes off-road tuned Bilstein high-pressure performance gas shocks, skid plates, oil pan, fuel tank, and transfer case, and a limited slip rear differential. In its testing, the 2017 Nissan Frontier scored the second lowest rating of marginal for the small overlap front crash test and the second highest rating of acceptable for the head restraints and seats evaluation. The highest score of good was issued for the moderate overlap front, roof strength, and side collision crash test. Front crash prevention was not tested because the Frontier does not offer a collision warning system or emergency automatic braking feature. The NHTSA issued the truck a 4-star overall rating out of a possible 5 stars for the crew cab model. The king cab model has only been tested for the rollover evaluation, where the truck received 3 stars out of 5. If you are looking to haul a lot of cargo, opt for the base, rear-drive SV6 model that provides the maximum payload capacity of 1,460 pounds with the 5-speed automatic, 1,450 with the 6-speed manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.